Prayer. O Holy Mother of God, my Mother Mary, didst thou then feel so great care of my salvation that thou didst even consent to offer up to death the object dearest to thy heart, thy beloved Jesus? If thou, then, hast so greatly desired to see me saved, it is just that next to God I should place in thee all my hopes. O Blessed Virgin, I do indeed confide entirely in thee. Oh, by the merit of this great sacrifice of the life of thy Son, which today thou hast offered to God, pray him to have pity on my soul, for which this immaculate Lamb did not refuse to die upon the cross. Today, O my Queen, I also, in imitation of thee, wish to offer my poor heart to God, but I fear that he will refuse it, seeing it thus filthy and loathsome. But if thou wilt offer it to him, he will not refuse it. All the offerings made him by thy most pure hands, he accepts and receives. To thee then, O Mary, I present myself today, miserable as I am, and to thee I give myself entirely. Offer me as thine to the Eternal Father and to Jesus, and pray him that through the merits of his Son, and by thy favor, he may accept me, and take me for his own. Ah, my sweetest Mother, for the love thou bearest this Son, whom thou hast sacrificed, aid me always, and do not abandon me. Do not permit that I should one day lose, through my sins, this my most loving Redeemer, today offered by thee with so much anguish to die on the cross. Say to him that I am thy servant. Say to him that in thee I have placed all my hope. Say to him, in a word, that thou dost wish for my salvation, and he will certainly graciously hear thee. Amen.